So, you've decided to learn the ultrasound physics. Congratulations! It is tough, sometimes extremely boring, sometimes very overwhelming. Your professors are great, but it still does not make any sense for you. And yet, you must complete the course. And you must take this notorious ARDMS SPI Ultrasound Physics exam. The information is overwhelming and confusing. You think to yourself while you are sitting in the class, I hate physics. Why did I take this course? Why did I sign up for this major? There are too many formulas. There are too many concepts that do not make any sense. You cannot remember definitions. You have sleepless night after sleepless night after sleepless night before the exams. Well, we might have a solution for you. First, get the Ultrasound Physics Made easy book on Amazon.com. And also sign up for 2 online courses, Introduction to Ultrasound Physics and Ultrasound Physics Advanced on udemy.com. These resources will solve all your current problems with ultrasound physics classes and exams and will prepare you for ARDMS SPI examination. We promise you, if you will complete these online courses, and will finish the book, your physics nightmares will become a thing of the past. All you need to do is to sign up for 2 online courses on udemy.com and get the Ultrasound Physics Made easy book on Amazon.com. We will teach you not only the formulas, but we will teach you how these formulas explain the physical concepts. We will break down the physics concepts and definitions for you and will translate them into the simple English, so you won't need to memorize the pages from the textbooks, but rather understand and visualize them. We will show you the logical chains between these concepts so they will make sense for you and you will not need to memorize them because you will understand them. We will give you a promise. You will have this eureka moment when everything will click. And you will not be scared of ultrasound physics any longer and will be comfortable taking the ARDMS board exam or any other ultrasound physics test. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your way to conquering your fear of physics and feel liberated. Click on the links below underneath this video. It will take you to the Ultrasound Physics Made Easy book and to online courses. We're looking forward to talking to you and answering any of your questions. And we hope we will see you soon.